So Dippy got out for 5, and new batsman is Bobby, coming in as a one-down batsman. His role would be a dual one, a blocker as well as a biffer. All this time a good delivery, but used soft ends, and it was not very easy to pick the ball on his follow through. There could be an overthrow, and score now 17 for 1. Score at the end of 3 overs is 17 for 1, and let's look at the bowling analysis of Dinesh. 1 over 5 runs and no wicket, or rather 1 wicket. He took that wicket by getting Dippy out. 1 over is bowled by Pradeep Bade, 1 by Raju, 1 by Dinesh, and who will it be? Baba? I think Raju, Pradeep Bade and Manish. These 3 cricketers are very tall and very strong cricketers. On the other hand, if you look, Atul himself is a master batsman. There's no doubt about his batting capability. His hunger for runs have increased every match. It's all about he staying at the wicket and scoring those valuable runs for Andheri Super Kings. So instead of Raju, they have got Baba. So different variety. It's a fruit salad bowling. Every bowler being changed after 1 over. Baba will bowl to Bobby. Bobby is on strike. 17 for 1 at the end of 3 overs. A lot of changes in the field now. Five on the off and 4 on the on. We have got a slip short cover, extra cover. There's a wideish long off and a deep long off. Baba bowls first delivery, pitched up, and batsman Bobby using soft hands, driving it in the outfield, wide of mid-on, and gets a single and rotates the strike. This is a good strategy by Bobby. He wants to give more opportunity to premier batsman of the side. 18 for 1. Shuffled across and wanted to play it towards the leg side, but not a good looking shot. Change in the fielding now. Pradeep Bade, who was in slips, now is stationed right in front of the batsman at short mid wicket. This time straight drive up in the air, and there's a mishap, and Bobby will have to come.
जो भिड़ा तेरे नैनों से ताका तो आशिक सरेंडर हुआ जो भिड़ा तेरे नैनों से ताका तो आशिक सरेंडर हुआ तूने शर्मा के विंडो से झांका तो आशिक सरेंडर हुआ हाँ सुन ओरी गोरी मोहब्बत में तोरी न जाने कब जून से दिसंबर हुआ तूने इंग्लिश में
Wicket number 2. Bobby got run out because of a misunderstanding between the batsmen. It was a call from the batsman not to take runs, but Bobby was already off the crease to get that single, and good throw. This time showing his class, and it will go in the arc and out of the park. It will be a huge 6. Brilliant timings, and 24 for 2. We are into over number 4. Once again, a master shot high in the air, and it will be a sixer.
सिर्फ
30 for 2. Two back-to-back towering sixes. First one was excellent. Second one was brilliant. Let's see what next. The batting powerhouse, Atul. Yes, the third one in a row. Oh my God, this is splendid.
My heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. It's time to end my room. Now my bed sheets smell like 3, 2, 1, come on. I'm in love with your body.
Thank you, DJ. 4 overs, 36 for 2, and Atul on 21, out of which he has hit 3 sixes of 3 consecutive balls. As if he was given a kind of a kasam by Bobby and Dippy. Brother, you score our runs also. ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵਾਪਸ ਆਓਗੇ ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਵਾਰਨਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ. So you see Ajit here. Ajit, a very good left-arm bowler. Pradeep Bade, a superb delivery to start with. He uses his height to his advantage. Hitting the ball is going to be difficult because his deliveries are kind of hitting the rib cage. New batsman is Santosh, an all-rounder from Andheri Super Kings. Fuller line delivery this time, driving it towards mid-wicket and gets a single. 37 for 2. Santosh is doing a great job by rotating the strike, giving more opportunity to the senior batsman. Bade this time, and it's a missed time, but whether wicketkeeper will get it, yes, I think he's got it.
Best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, drinking faster, and then we talk slow. And then come over and start up a conversation with just me. And trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. Now I'm singing like, oh, I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. Love, shape of you. Push and pull like a magnet. My heart is falling.
So, Atul scored 21 runs of 11 balls, but that was a treat to watch. He made Baba pay heavy price for loose deliveries. 37 for 3. Pradeep Bade getting that success this time. Bowling it so well. And he's so agile in his follow-through that he went towards his left side and stopped the ball. Let us not forget he's a righty guy. Walked towards his left side and picked the ball. Excellent over so far for Lions. Once again, a good line delivery. Pushing backwards. Batsman Varun went deep into the crease and defended it. 37 for 3. This time, Captain Varun hit through the line. That was a good display of batsmanship. Baba stopped the ball. Score at the end of 5 overs. 38 for 3. Andheri Super Kings won the toss today and elected to bat first. Varun, he asked his opening batsman to go there and make runs, and unfortunately they lost 3 wickets, out of which 2 wickets they lost very early. But then it was Atul who played the role of an anchor, and now next over will be bowled by Raju. But before that, Pradeep Bade's bowling analysis: 2 overs, 6 runs and 1 wicket. Raju's bowling analysis: 1 over, 5 runs, and he has not claimed any wicket so far. This time, Still wristed flick, back out of square. Varun will have to certainly play well today. Captain. Better delivery this time. Raju also not giving any room whatsoever to Varun to play big shots. Last over of Pradeep Bade build the pressure, and now Raju is capitalizing on that pressure. Lokhandwala Lions in good position after losing the toss. They are bowling first. Once again a good delivery. Raju is bowling almost the similar line and length that Pradeep Bade used to bowl. Sometimes you take a leaf out of your colleague's book and study, and that's what Raju is doing. On the other end, after Atul got out, the score has slowed down considerably. Once again, a better delivery. No margin of error whatsoever for either batsman or the bowler. Everyone will have to play out of the skin now. We have already entered the second and the last phase of this tournament. Mistimed it, and there's a single there. Exactly after 1 month, on 3rd May, we will get our winner of season 2. Countdown has begun. Score now 40 for 3. This tournament is coming to you live on YouTube. Simply type in Mumbai Cricket Stars Season 2. Over pitch delivery, not in control of that shot completely. Just wanted to go over the top. Couldn't find the alleviation, and it's an over. Score at the end of 6 overs is 41 for 3. Batting first. Yes, India's festival beginning from 5th, Wednesday. 2 months of entertaining IPL 10. This time, Santosh played over the top of the wicketkeeper Manish. 42 for 3. We are into over number 7. Andheri Super Kings are struggling for runs right now, but we have seen in most of the games that last 4 overs have been always eventful for any batting side, and that's what optimism is all about in this game as well. Dinesh now. Better delivery. Look at Manish. He is very agile, fleet-footed. 42 for 3 now. Santosh on strike. He's joined by Varun. They must score at least 75. That will give them some chance to fight. A quicker delivery utilizing the pace of the ball. He plays it square of the wicket for a single. Santosh. Santosh takes his team to 43 for 3. We are into over number 7. The slogan of Mumbai Cricket Star Season 2 is where every player is a winner. Means every player gets a chance to showcase his talent. Every team gets a chance to play 10 matches on a round-robin basis. Change of pace this time. Intelligent bowling there by Dinesh. No footwork offered there by Santosh. He's struggling. His footwork was not right, as if he was given anesthesia injection on his legs. This time he shows his class, and Oh my God, that was a difficult one, but they finally took it.
शगन हमारी थाल में जगमग जगमग करती खुशियां हो गया कमाल में तितर बितर 900 चित्र हो गया बुरा हाल में नच नच बैठ तो खन लगे ना रुकने का सवाल किसी नु सोन नहीं देना ड्रामा होन नहीं देना किसी से बात नहीं करनी किसी का फोन नहीं लेना मैं कहना व्हाट्सएप कहते पौड़ी
Santosh scored 4 runs of 8 balls, and new batsman is Dimple facing Dinesh this time. One by way of a bye, and that brings us to the end of over number 7. 44 for 4, and let's look at the bowling analysis of Dinesh.
2 over 7 for 2.
Dinesh 2 over 7 runs and 2 wickets, miser of a bowler. Captain Nadeem now throwing ball towards Pradeep Bade into his last over. Pradeep Bade 2 over 6 runs, 1 wicket. Oh, very good delivery, a good length one. That has beaten batsman Varun completely by pace. Generating good pace with a short run of Bade. Lower full toss, and it will be single. Oh my God, what was he doing? Nadeem Bhai reminded me of a South African football team player. The only thing that was missing was Vuvuzela, and that brings Naeem here. One of the very important person in this side. As of now, he's non-playing captain, but very soon you will see Naeem Bhai also on battlefield. 45 for 4, Lokhandwala Lions in good position. This time a flat shot by Dimple. Good sound of the wood, and that will get him a single. 46 for 4. After Atul got out, what we have seen is even singles have dried out. That shouldn't have been the case. This time Varun goes forward and
Hello, how are you? मेरा नाम है जॉली मनाने जश्न निकली यारों की टोली
Thank you. 11 balls and 4 runs scored by the batsman Varun, who is the captain, and now that brings in Nilesh, an all-rounder. Andheri Super Kings, ASK, and that means ask. They got to keep asking themselves. They lost Dippy, they lost Bobby, Atul, Varun, and Santosh. This time, good delivery by Pradeep Bade. If I am a school kid, I would love to watch Pradeep Bade bowling because I will learn so many things from him. How to use the height, how to use the crease, how to pitch the ball. Good delivery this time, not much power behind that shot. And with this, we come to the end of over number 8. Batting first, score now 46 for 5. Andheri Super Kings won the toss, elected to bat first. So, thank you, DJ. Pradeep Bade bowled 3 overs, gave away 8 runs and claimed 2 crucial wickets. Now Dinesh into his last over, left arm. Over the wicket, coming closer to the stumps, express delivery. That travelled like a Ferrari car on both the Formula 1 circuit track. 46 for 5. The only highlight in this first innings is 3 consecutive sixes by Atul. This time making an angle, played very close to the body. Dimple accumulating that single. Dimple and Nikhil will have to ensure that they do not waste any delivery and score at least a single. 47 for 5 now. Nilesh on strike, and he will be facing Dinesh, who is bowling from Mumbai Cricket Stars end, MCS end. Once again, fuller line delivery. Dinesh, he's a prolific cricketer. Cricket is into his genes. Must have consumed a lot of cricket gripe water during his early days as a child while playing cricket. All this time, an easy catch dropped by Nadeem. Nilesh taking a sigh of relief. Not ready for that. Kind of a blinder, but came all of a sudden and scored now 48 for 5. We are into over number 9. 48 for 5. 9th in progress. One after this. Quicker delivery this time into the block hole and with a lower backlift. He takes a single. Baba came running in. 49 for 5. Last 7 deliveries of the first innings and score is not looking that healthy. Lokhandwala Lions are playing their 5th game. They have won 4 out of 4. Most of the teams are now into their 5th match, 6th match. Couple of them are almost at the 7th match. And now every game becomes very important because exactly 1 month from now, on 3rd of May, grand finale will be played. Again, inside out, wanted to take a single, good backup there, no runs. 49 for 5 at the end of 9.
दुनिया चले पिछाड़ी तो मैं चलूं अगाड़ी सब खेल जानता हूँ मैं हूँ बड़ा खिलाड़ी ओहो दुनिया चले पिछाड़ी तो मैं चलूं
Bipin now. First delivery and driven firmly towards extra cover. It's surprising. Bipin took, I think, 4 wickets in last game. And today is bowling the last over, the only over. And that's how the bowling strength of Lokhandwala Lions is. $50 for 5. We are into last over. A very interesting situation in this game. Andheri Super Kings needs a win desperately, and they don't have a total right now. Express delivery this time. Manish took his eyes off the ball. He focused more on looking at the batsman's movement rather than focusing on the position of the ball. Score with this now 51 for 5. 3 balls to go. This time driving it, gets a single, wanted to go for another one. Dimple and Nilesh have certainly worked very hard, and that's why this total now looks like at least a total that will allow them to give some fight. Oh, he's bowled him. That is his forte. Last game also he bowled a lot of Yorkers, and that's what he's all about. New batsman is Abhishek, the super power bowler. Abhishek bowls real quick. If I was Dennis Lilly, would have certainly taken him for MRF Pace Academy. Abhishek, the way he bowls, very quick. We'll see him in action in second innings. Right now 52 for 6. Dimple just got out. Abhishek this time wanted to go for a big shot, gets a single. They don't mind running in for second one. There's a chance of run out and he will have to come. So score at the end of 10 overs is 53. It's not the score that Andheri Super Kings are known for, but not a problem. They can still give a fight. 54 to win Lokhandwala Lions.
बार बार हाँ बोलो यार हाँ अपनी जीत हो उनकी हार हाँ बार बार हाँ बोलो यार हाँ अपनी जीत हो उनकी हार हाँ कोई हमसे जीत न पावे चले चलो चले चलो मिट जावे जो टकरावे चले चलो फल घोर अंधेरा छावे चले चलो चले चलो कोई राह में ना थम जावे चले चलो टूट गई जब उंगली मुट्ठी पांचों मिली तो बन गई मुट्ठी एका बढ़ता ही जावे चले चलो कोई कितना भी बहकावे चले चलो कोई हमसे जीत न पावे चले चलो मिट जावे जो टकरावे चले चलो
जहाँ नफरत नहीं डर का नहीं जीत का शोर हो ओ प्यार वाला मुस्कान वाला ओ एक इंडिया हैप्पी वाला ओ एक इंडिया हैप्पी वाला मुस्कान वाला, ओ एक इंडिया हैप्पी वाला, ओ एक इंडिया।
रोशनी रंग है, हर नजर दंग है, जश्न जोश है, हो रहा होश है, सब पे है चढ़ा बुखार। ये है इंडिया का त्योहार, ये है इंडिया का त्योहार। हाँ, दुनिया छोड़ के देखो दिल जोड़ के, थोड़ी तकरार है फिर भी तू यार है, इसमें है दिलों का प्यार। ये है इंडिया का
Thank you, DJ. So Bipin's last over fetched 4 runs, and now Andheri Super Kings are under tremendous pressure to save this game, and the first over will be bowled by Rahul, who was highest wicket taker until about a week ago. First delivery, and Pradeep Bade goes for a towering 6.
जियो खिलाड़ी वाह वाह,
Hitting 6 of the very first ball. He's one of those distinguished players. Has started
एड़े पेड़े घुमा के आरे पारे,
with a great style. Pradeep, 6. Change of pace, and this time he goes for another taller one, a stronger one, and a longer one.
एड़े पेड़े घुमा के
12.
आरे पारे, घुमा के गुत्ती गुत्तम घुमा के, अड़चन खड़चन घुमा के, जियो खिलाड़ी वाहे वाहे, जियो खिलाड़ी वाहे वाहे।
Super batting there by Pradeep Bade. 12. This time a powerful hit, and will get just 2 runs. Score now 14. 14 runs have come off just 3 balls. They need another 40 runs. Super batsman, super bowler. Pradeep Bade this time taking a single, back out of square. It's a declared. Score now 15, and Bade also on 15. Oh, he mistimed it this time, but Abhishek was far and he couldn't come and take that catch. Score now 16, all 16 are sweet 16, and the sweet 16 runs belong to only one guy. That's Pradeep Bade. Now Junaid on strike, Junaid Lokhandwala. Oh, there's a French cut, and there will be single. 17 without loss at the end of first over. They need 37 more runs of just 9 overs. Chaiya and Varun now. No, it's not Varun, it's Nilesh. First delivery, and Bade goes for another big one. 23. Third 6. Only thing you can say is One thing you can say for Pradeep Bade, naam bade or shots bhi bade. Score now 23. $31 to win now. But at this time tapping the ball, placing it towards the right of the cover fielder, and they will go for a single. Score now 24. 23 runs for Pradeep Bade, 1 run for Junaid, and Junaid on strike against Nilesh. A wide delivery, angling in, wanted to bring the ball in, but it pitched on the leg stump and went away. So nice to see Gurmeet today. He gave a very good interview about MCS Season 2. This is one cricket season which no one wants to miss. Half-tracker ball, Junaid was well forward and contacted with his bat at the very last moment and got that single. Score now 26. Pradeep Bade bowled excellent, and now he's making a lot of runs. A complete all-rounder. We have seen a lot of good all-rounders in this tournament from various teams, and he's one of them. This time goes on the back foot and takes a single. Mandar from Khar Madhuban Toyota. Again, another useful all-rounder. Ram from Vilepale Gladiators. He is also an all-rounder. Radnish Duggal and Hiten Tejwani are also all-rounders. Our own Juhu Junaid. Oh, look at that. As straight as a bow. High in the sky. I want to fly. $33 now. Only 21 to win now. We are into just over number 2. Oh, look at that. Long, long, long. And that's a powerful hit. 39 at the end of 2 overs. Abhishek now. So last 7 or 8 minutes have been like an entertaining innings of IPL. When you see Virender Sehwag or Pradeep Bade, these type of batsmen, and when they bat, you feel as if you are watching highlights and not the match. The way they play. Score now 39. What they need is just 15 runs, and Polly will give the ball. Polly is into multiple roles. He's also ball boy. He's also into the back office. Our Shankar is also today. Shankar is enjoying our DJ PlayStation. Strong roots in Barbados and Guyana. On how Junaid scoring 2 runs. Pradeep is elder brother and Junaid is younger brother, you can say. He has also joined the festival of runs now. Ajit, left arm, round the wicket. Mistimed it this time. The first wicket can fall, and yes, it is. Atul takes a brilliant catch. Ajit gets his man. Thank you, DJ. But this time goes for helicopter, and the helicopter has crashed. Santosh tried his best, but his best was not enough. 42 for 1. Ajit is certainly giving Lokhandwala Lions run for their money. Ajit always gives his heart out while bowling. Missed out on a couple of matches in bowling department, but today he's trying his best. Lower full toss, and there will be just one run. Score now 43 for 1. Raju is the new batsman. Both Raju and Pradeep Bade looks very strong, very stockily built, and both are all-rounders. Raju and Pradeep. This time Raju pulls that one, gets a couple of runs. 45 for 1, and they need only 9 runs. Lokhandwala Lions net run rate was more than 5, and with this win it will go past 7-8, I guess. The way they are chasing the score, they will be number 1 team in stack ranking, both in terms of points and net run rate. And this time there was a golden chance for Atul. Atul missed it, and there's an over. Thank you, DJ. Only 9 required to win now. New ball. Abhishek starts a new ball over, and look at that shot. Santosh drops it again, and it's a 6. 51. Straight away. Thank you. So there's a rehabilitation program for Santosh now. He is at, he's traveled many miles. He has traveled from Khar Road to Mahim Road. Badea once again, he's a sultan of sixers undoubtedly. But this time, he gets out. 42 runs. Thank you, DJ. 11 balls, 42 runs. He was like a run tsunami. Abhishek, look at the pace. The way Pradeep Bade used to bowl. Abhishek also trying his best. He has a great future, Abhishek, let me tell you. The way he bowls. I just love when he runs. A very smooth run up. Oh, this time look at the shot, and that will clear the fence. And with this, we come to the end of this game. Very well played.